Hello student, in this class we learn about symbol. By using symbol spray tool you can spray the symbol on the artboard, and this tool is available here on the toolbar. I right click on this to expand other tool in this group. Main tool is symbol spray tool. By using this tool you can spray symbols, and the keyboard shortcut is Shift S. And these are other tool in this group to make changes in symbol set. I click on this arrow to pull out this tool from the toolbar and then place here. Now I click on this tool to activate this. It's the icon of this tool, a big circle and a spray bottle. By using square bracket you can change the size of this circle. If you want to decrease, click on the open square bracket, and if you want to increase, click on the close square bracket. So you can also increase or decrease spray area by using square bracket. If you want to spray a symbol on the artboard, just click and drag, but when you first time click and drag you get a error message because currently no symbol is selected. So click on the OK button, then go to Windows and then click on the symbol panel. Symbol panel is displayed on the artboard, but symbol is not available here. So click on this bookshelf icon and then choose a symbol from this category. I click on this 3D symbol category. 3D symbol is available here. Now I choose a symbol from this list. So I click on this sun icon. When I click on this icon is selected in the symbol panel. Now I click and drag on the artboard and create a symbol set. By using this way you can create a greeting card border in very easy way. Now I select some other symbols from this list and choose celebration category and pick the stars and create some star and add some other element also. Okay. By using symbol spray tool you can spray symbol on the artboard, but in case if you want to delete a symbol, press Alt key and then click on the symbol. So this symbol is deleted, but if you click on this symbol, so this symbol is not deleted because this symbol is not selected. This symbol border is highlighted. This means this symbol is selected. Now I click on this symbol, so this symbol is selected. Now I make changes in this symbol. Same way, if you want to delete the star, first select this symbol from the symbol panel and then click on this by pressing Alt key. So this will delete it. Same way, if you want to delete a sun, click on this symbol and then pressing Alt key you can delete a symbol. If you want to select multiple symbol in one time, so press Ctrl key then click on the other symbol. So these symbols are selected. You can see the border around the symbol. Now I want to make some changes in this symbol set. So I select these tool one by one. First tool is symbol shifter tool. By using this tool you can shift a symbol. Just click and drag and move inside. Same, if you want to move outside, just click and drag outside. Symbol will shift in outside area. All the symbol is selected, so this tool will apply all the symbols. Okay, so by using this tool you can select a symbol and move. Next tool is symbol scrunchel tool. So I click on this. By using this tool you can gather or scatter symbol. If you want to gather these symbols, just click and hold. So these symbols is gather now, same as here. If you want to scatter a symbol, press Alt key then click and hold. So these symbol will scatter. And if you want to gather, just click and hold. So these symbol will gather. So this tool is also very useful to gather multiple symbol in single click and scatter also. Next tool is symbol sizer tool. By using this tool you can increase the size of a symbol or decrease also. If you want to increase the size of this symbol, just click and hold, size will increase. And if you want to decrease the size of this symbol, press Alt key or Option key and then click and hold. size will decrease. So you can make different size symbol by using this tool. If you want to delete a symbol, you can delete by using this tool also. So first press shift key, then click on a symbol, so that symbol will delete it. Now I select next tool. Next tool is symbol spinner tool. So I click on this and make some changes in rotation. So just click and drag and make some rotation changes. So you can create variation in different symbols. Next tool is symbol stainer tool. By using this tool, you can change hue to tint. So first I click on this, the hue is shift into tint, same as I click on this, so hue will change into tint. And if you want to reverse this effect, press Alt key and then click again on this, so you get the result back. So by using this, you can change in color, or if you want to get back, press Alt key and then click again, so you get the color. Next tool is symbol screener tool. By using this tool, you can change opacity. If you want to change the opacity of this tool, just click on this, so opacity will change. When you click again, opacity also gone. And if you want to reverse the effect, press Alt key and then click again, so you get a opaque result. So by using this, you can create opacity variation. Next tool is symbol styler tool. Before using this tool, you have to select a graphic style. So click on the OK button and select a graphic style panel from the window menu. These are styles and other style is available here. You can select other style from this list. I select this style and then apply on this symbol. So this style will apply. So first I make changes in opacity. So you can apply other styles also by using symbol styler tool. If you want to apply this style, just select this. I click on the screener tool and change the opacity. Okay. Same as you can apply other style also. First you have to change the opacity. Okay. So different style is applied on the same symbols. If you want to make changes the parameter of this tool, just double click on this tool. A flyout will display and here you can change intensity and density. By default, intensity and density of this tool is set on 8 and 5. So it's all about symbol tool. I hope you like this class. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel and like this video.